Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing about computer network. So in previous video we discussed that internet is the biggest example of a network. Internet is known as the biggest computer network in the world. So today we will learn about the internet and all the devices which helps us to create a network. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, internet is a worldwide system of computer network of networks. Through internet, computer become able to exchange information with each other. It is also termed as interconnection of computer networks. Every computer in internet is defined by a unique IP address, a unique set of numbers, such as you can see, this is an example of a IP address. Every computer which is connected to a network has a unique set of numbers which is termed as IP address. So every computer which is connected to internet has a unique IP address, so which identifies the computer location. So by this IP address we can locate a computer system. So as we know, internet create a network between millions of computers. It interact the computers with each other so that they can share any message, text, video and any other things also. Basically, internet is a combination of two words. First one is inter and second one is net. So if we add inter plus net, so then this is known as internet. So inter means interconnected and net means networks. So internet means interconnected networks. So this is the full form of internet. So there are some applications of internet. First heading is electronic messaging. So electronic messaging means if you send a message with the help of an electronic device. It could be your mobile phone, your computer, your laptop or your tablet. So if you send a message with the help of any electronic device, this message is called electronic message. We can send and receive emails, which means electronic mails, to anyone in any part of the world by using the internet. It includes service like SMS, emails and chatting, etc. Second heading is electronic data interchange. It is the method of sharing data in a digital format over the internet. If you send any data with the help of internet, then this is called electronic data interchange. Next one is teleconferencing. It allows people to exchange and share their ideas with each other without being present here. It is of two types. So teleconferencing is of two types. First one is video conferencing, second one is audio conferencing. In video conferencing, as you are already aware about video and audio conferencing, in video conferencing, it is in this user can see as well as talk to one another. So one another you can see and talk in a video conferencing, as we make video calls in WhatsApp messaging app or on Skype or any other application. Next one is audio conferencing. So in this user can communicate over the phone. If you communicate with anyone on a call, it could be a voice call, it could be a WhatsApp call or any other call. If you are just communicating with any other person, then this is called audio conferencing. Or if you are communicating but you are also able to see each others on the conferencing, then this is called video conferencing. Last one is electronic fund transfer. It is the method of transferring money without going to the bank. Your ATM, which stands for automated teller machine, is a kind of electronic fund transfer device used to withdraw cash from a bank account. So electronic fund transfer means if you are using your bank with the help of mobile banking or internet banking, so this is a part of electronic fund transfer. As we make many payments, we purchase anything from a website, and we generally use our debit card for purchasing a product. So this is also an example of electronic fund transfer. Or in a shopping mall, whenever you scan a barcode or you paytm anything, any amount, so then this is also an example of electronic fund transfer. In electronic fund transfer, you don't need to go bank for your money transfers. You can easily transfer your money with the help of internet. Then this is called electronic fund transfer. Next one, ISP. ISP. Who is ISP? ISP means internet service provider. It means the person who is providing you internet. So it is the company or organization which provides connectivity to the internet and its service to the against some fee. Some ISPs are Airtel, Jio, BSNL, MTN, Dan and Vodafone, etc. Many more. So ISP means internet service provider, which company is providing you internet connection. This is your service provider. They take some fees for the uh, connections as a charge. Note: ISP charge depend on the speed of connections. The connection speed defines how fast the data is sent to the user, and this is measured in Mbps, which means megabits per second, or kbps, which means kilobits per second. Now networking components. So to establish networking in a group of computers, you require some additional components that are as follows. So if you want to build a network or you want a internet connection at your home, then you can use some devices. Like first one is modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It converts the digital signal into analog signal and vice versa. There are two type of modem. First one is internal modem and second one is external modem. As you can see, this is a internal modem which fits inside your computer CPU, and this is external modem. This is basically a wireless modem. You can put it at any position and you can use this modem with the help of Wi-Fi network. So hub and switch both are very important. Hub is the central device that manages flow of data across the network. The hub divides the bandwidth or communication speed equally among all the connecting devices. So hub is basically used in cyber cafes or any organization which need many different computers in a connection. For example, if you have 10 different computer and you want to use internet in all the 10 computers, so then you can use hub. In hub there are some connectors which connect your computer system with the help of wire. So this is a wired connection. Now what is switch? Switch is basically a extended version of hub. Switch is also a central device like hub that manages the data flow, but it provides signals only to the desired device rather than sending it to all the devices. As we can see, the hub divides the bandwidth or communication speed equally among all the connected devices, while the switch provides signals only to the desired device rather than sending it to all the devices. So this is a difference between hub and switch. Next device is router and gateway. Basically, as you can see, router is a device which works as a wireless device. This network device is used to route the data across the different part of the network when the computers are connected in WAN. So WAN means wide area network. We will learn about LAN, WAN and MAN means type of network in our next video. So router is basically used to connect the computer in a network, but this is a wireless network. Gateway. A gateway is a piece of networking hardware used in telecommunication network that allow data to flow from one discrete network to. So gateway is basically used to provide the internet connection to two or more servers. As you can see, two servers are connected to a gateway and they providing the internet connection to many computers. So these are some wired and wireless devices which are used to connect your computer with the internet connection. So in next video we will learn about different type of computer networks. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.